Hello fellow traders, Jake here. You know what's happening? Another account review. This one very unique. We've got a trader who's kind of very different from the traders that I usually review throughout the day. Most of them are day traders. For some reason, with E8, a lot of day traders find success. This one is swing trader. I would define him as a master of swing trading even, because where day traders close 30 to 40 pips on a trade, this guy on average 200 to 300 pips on a trade, which is absolutely amazing. We're going to dive into that, into his trading strategy, trading plan. We're going to find some tips and insights, but let's talk business first, shall we? So this guy got 16K payout 2 weeks ago. Actually, he started trading, got verified and started trading with E8 at the very end of 2024, so 6 months in. He purchased 4 evaluation, but with a 16K payout, he already covered the cost of those evaluation and he's still trading the same account. So he is trading E81 $500,000, and at the same time he's trading E8 Trek, not simulated funded stage yet, but he's getting very close because he is in the third phase, which is the final phase of E8 Trek evaluation. Imagine he passes, and right now he could be trading $1 million. So if we do quick calculation, you do 2% per month, which is good enough. You don't have to risk much to achieve 2% per month. You are looking at 20 grand every month. So really looking forward. Wish you the best of luck, Robin. By the way, this is Robin, a 23 years old trader from Germany. So wish you best of luck. Hopefully you'll pass it so I can record another account review. But so far he's being simulated funded with $500,000. We're going to take a look at both of these accounts because each of them offers many tips, many insights. Let's start with the simulated funded account. So this is it. He started trading 500K. He got himself into early drawdown with 2 trades. He lost $8,000, but he's a good trader, very decent one, and you will see why. And he recovered very easily with 14 trades, making $17,000 of a profit. Then a little bit of a losing streak with 6 trades, yet another great recovery. And this winning streak is absolutely amazing. We're going to take a look at it in a few moments. So this big gap is not a trade at all, it's the payout. And he played it really smart, guys, because most of the traders that I reviewed, they usually got the payout entirely, violating the trading drawdown and eventually losing the account. So Robin played it smart. He got a payout of the half. So he made a profit of $33,000, yet he's got only 16K payout, leaving the half for the drawdown. What impresses me about Robin is his 48% win ratio. That's, way above average. And what is not a technical issue, actually very true, is the average win of 1.5 grand and average loss of 2.9, almost $3,000. We're gonna take a look at it because this is not a bag. This is what it is, and you're gonna see in a few moments why. Let's take a look at this beautiful winning streak. So yeah, if that would be my EDX dashboard, I would be very impressed myself. What he's trading Forex mostly. We can go down a little bit. Mostly Forex pairs, sometimes gold, sometimes Bitcoin. I'm going to talk about Bitcoin at the very end of this video, but mostly Forex, where he is being very successful, especially on the Japanese yen pairs, which is this winning streak. For some reason, it tells me that he kind of saw a vulnerable Japanese yen and he decided to buy other currencies. So kind of a diversifying the risk on those trades, buying every currency against Japanese yen. However, look at any trade, Euro Japanese yen, he opened 162.3, closed 165.2, give or take, which is 280 pips trade. CAT, Japanese yen, you are looking at another 180, 200 pips trade. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, additional 150 pips trade. I think you have spotted what I want to talk about next, which is the lot size. Look at this, 0.2, 0.3, 0.5, 0.6. On $500,000 account, he's trading 0.2 lots, like mini lots. And to me, maybe as he decided to trade more currencies against Japanese yen, he might have some calculations backed on these trades. But what I don't actually really get, and what I'm curious about, is that if we go at the very beginning or even into the middle of his trading history, he started trading 10 lots, 7 lots, and 2 lots. Then he went down, 3 lots, 2 lots, 1 lot. So he started big, and then he kind of cut it to mini lots. Not sure what stands behind this, because one of my tips back on the previous account review was that whenever you trade, you should trade more or less with a fixed lot size. So if you're trading Forex and you usually trade 2 lots, you should be trading 2 lots, 1.5, 2.5, something in that range, that not trading 2 lots on one trade and 10 lots on another trade just because you believe it's an A+ setup, okay? You can assign a lot size value to A+ setups if you truly believe that you did really well on that analysis and this trade is going to work for you well, but it should not be doubled or tripled the usual lot size, right? And why I'm talking about this is, you see here 5 lots on another losing trade, but 10 lots, 7 lots losing 8 grand, and then trading on another 200 pips trade or more, 200 pips trades, 0.2 making $400, $200. It's kind of suspicious to me, but if you do a quick calculation, we can do it actually together. So if we go to my FX book, they've got really good calculators, and we go to FX calculators and profit calculators. Then we are going to take which one? Euro Japanese yen. Let's say Euro Japanese yen. So he traded Euro Japanese yen, and open price was this one, while close price is this one. Okay, he made about $400 on 0.2, but if he'd just stick with the same lot size, let's say not 7, 10, but let's meet him in the middle with 5 lots. Yeah, so let's do 5. He bought, so that's a 10 grand. That's a $10,000 if he just keep the same lot size. So on this very page, we are looking at additional, I don't know, $100,000. I think so, at least. So yeah, kind of don't get it. I hope Robin accept my invitation to interview so I can figure out what is going on here. But if you're a beginner or slightly advanced, I wouldn't recommend it. Because changing the lot size might get tricky, and in the worst scenario, which is not this one because he actually managed to then get the 16K payout, but in a worst scenario, you are going to get the big trades into losses and the small trades into wins, into profits. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend it. As I was saying, you can basically adjust some sort of a range. If you're trading 2 lots, you can do 2.5, you can do even 3 lots or 1.5, but I wouldn't do 2 lots and then 10 lots. Okay, it's kind of sounds like a suicide to me, blowing the account. So that's about the lot size, which was the first thing that I saw. And I couldn't believe that he actually managed to make 16 grand, well, actually 33 grand on 0.2, 0.5, 0.6, and then some 1 to 5 lots trades. Yeah, so that's about the lot size. That's why also I'm calling him a master of swing trading, because not every trader trades 200 to 300 pips trades. Well, there's, I would say, a small proportion of traders who are doing that, because most of the traders are day traders, not many swing traders. Yeah. Another thing that I would like to speak to you about is Bitcoin. Okay. I saw it so many times, guys, that traders, maybe some of you who are too hungry during the weekend, you know, I don't want to call it greedy, but it's kind of greedy, isn't it? When trader being bored on weekend, you know, and he wants to be in the market. So where you going to go? To cryptocurrencies, of course, because you can trade cryptocurrencies on a weekend. But I haven't seen a single trader who would trade different asset class like Forex, indexes, commodities, whatever, and at the same time being successful trading Bitcoin on a weekend. Okay, and he did the same, almost failing the evaluation, because on the EA track, which is this one, where is he in a third and final phase before getting on a simulated funded account, he was also trading a Bitcoin during the weekend and lost additional 5 grand. Okay, so I would recommend it at all. I mean, at the end of the day, it's your decision. But one of the solutions for this is to open a completely different account. You want to trade something during the weekend? Okay, it's up to you eventually, right? As I was saying, but I wouldn't trade it on your main account. So especially if you don't have any experience. So if you don't have any experience with trading a Bitcoin or trading during the weekend, then create a separated evaluation and trade it on a completely different account. Because if we just do that, he'd be 5 grand more in the profit, making it almost 40 grand. So yeah, and it's always Bitcoin, guys. It's always Bitcoins. Haven't seen a trader who'd be actually successful trading Bitcoin during the weekend while he's having a different asset class. And with the Japanese yen, as I was saying, pretty successful. And this is what I talked to Jared about. This is the interview that we did and published last week, when I was speaking to US-based trader who's mostly trading Nasdaq. And I don't know if that was him trading Bitcoin during the weekend or someone else, but basically what we figured out is that while his primary market was Nasdaq, he was very successful trading Forex. He did about 20 to 25 trades on Forex and not a single losing one. Okay, he had a lot of losing trades on Nasdaq, but he was still in the profit comparing the winning and the losing trades on Nasdaq. Yet when he was trading Forex, he was very successful. I mean, 100% success rate on Forex. And that's why you have these statistics. Also, if you see that you're being successful with a certain asset or asset class, then you can trade it separately on a different evaluation. You can have one for Forex, second one from indexes, third one for trading Bitcoin on a weekend. If you are hungry for the markets, if you want to be in, if you want to make money, then go with a different evaluation. That would be my tip for this. And other trades, well, other tips, there's not much. Just wanted to show you what is basically possible. Those 2 main tips that came to my mind when reviewing Robin was or were the lot size and the trading the Bitcoin during the weekend. Other than that, I think this trader has a bright future, especially if he passes the third phase of the EA track evaluation, being simulated funded with $1 million. That's going to be amazing. Yeah. Okay, so probably not much to share about, or not much to share from Robin, other than what I've already told you. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this account review, and I'll see you with the next one very soon. Till that happens, best of luck traders. I'll see you soon.